When we talk about real weekend conversations, we're not just talking about textbook sentences. These are casual, natural interactions you have with friends, neighbors, or coworkers. Maybe you're talking about weekend plans, movies, hobbies, or weekend trips. The key is to notice how people actually speak, not how English books teach it. Start by listening to real conversations. Podcasts, YouTube videos, or even short chats with native speakers are perfect. Shadow what you hear. This means you repeat exactly what they say, copying their tone, speed, and intonation. Don't worry about mistakes. The goal is fluency first, then accuracy. By practicing this every day, your brain starts to recognize patterns in natural speech. You'll notice phrases like, "What are your plans for the weekend?" or "I'm thinking of going hiking." These phrases are common, easy to remember, and instantly make your conversation sound real. Play a short conversation. Don't worry about understanding every word at first. Focus on the rhythm, tone, and pauses. After each sentence, pause and repeat exactly what you heard. Copy the pronunciation, stress, and intonation. It's like echoing a friend's voice. If a sentence is tricky, slow it down. Repeat it multiple times slowly, then gradually increase speed until it matches the original pace. Consistency is key. Shadow at least 15 minutes a day. It doesn't matter if it feels awkward at first. The more you practice, the more natural it becomes. Listen to your own voice and compare it to native speakers. Notice small differences in tone or rhythm and correct them. Recording also builds confidence because you hear your improvement. Remember, real weekend conversations are not formal. People might say, "Hey, want to grab a coffee?" instead of, "Would you like to join me for a coffee?" Shadow these casual phrases, and your speaking will feel more natural. All right, now let's make your English speaking truly practical. Today, we focus on real weekend conversations. These are the types of chats you'll have naturally with friends or coworkers on Saturday or Sunday. Friend, "Hey, what are you doing this weekend?" You, "I'm thinking of going to the park. How about you?" Notice the casual words like "hey" and "how about you?" Shadow this exchange by repeating it 3 times. Then try switching roles. Pretend you are the friend asking the question. This helps you practice both asking and answering naturally. Friend, "Did you finish the book you were reading?" You, "Yes, I loved it. I'm thinking of starting another one." Here, shadow the phrases "I loved it" and "I'm thinking of." These are common expressions in real conversations. Repeat them aloud several times until they feel natural. Friend, "Do you want to grab a coffee later?" You, "Sure, that sounds great. What time?" The goal is to memorize these short, natural phrases because they appear in almost every weekend conversation. Shadow both parts, paying attention to intonation. Listen and repeat. Pick 5 short conversations from podcasts or YouTube videos. Shadow every sentence. Switch roles. Act as both speaker and listener. This doubles your practice. Record yourself. Listen carefully and notice improvements in fluency. Use new phrases. Each day, pick 2 to 3 new phrases you heard and practice them in your own conversations. Remember, the secret to mastering English speaking is consistency. Shadowing works best when it's daily, short, and focused on real conversations. By the end of day 3, you should notice that your voice sounds more natural and your sentences flow more smoothly. Shadowing is not just repetition, it's training your mouth, ears, and brain to work together. This makes real weekend conversations easier, more comfortable, and actually enjoyable. Great job making it to the final section of day 3. Now, let's talk about how to make your English truly fluent in real weekend conversations. Stop translating from your native language. When you hear a sentence like, "What are you doing this weekend?" try to respond immediately in English in your mind, even before speaking. Shadowing helps train your brain to think in English naturally. Focus on small phrases like, "Sounds good," "I'm not sure," or "Let's do it." These phrases appear in almost every conversation and make your speech sound natural. Shadow these phrases repeatedly. Listening is as important as speaking. The more you hear real conversations, the better you can mimic rhythm, intonation, and casual expressions. Then, don't be afraid to speak. Speak aloud daily, even if it's just 10 to 15 minutes. Mistakes are part of learning. Shadowing reduces mistakes over time because you internalize correct patterns. If you stumble, pause, repeat, and continue, confidence grows with practice, not perfection. 10 minutes. Listen and shadow casual weekend conversations. 5 minutes. Record yourself and replay. 5 minutes. Repeat difficult phrases slowly, then at natural speed. Consistency creates automatic speaking patterns. After just a few weeks, you'll notice how effortless conversations become. If you enjoyed day 3 of Shadowing English Speaking Practice, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss a new lesson. Share your favorite phrase from today in the comments below. I'd love to hear how you're using it in your real conversations. Keep practicing, stay consistent, and watch your English speaking skills improve day by day. Remember, real weekend conversations are your playground. Speak freely, enjoy the learning, and master English naturally.